For months, the drone community in the USA has watched with a mixture of excitement and frustration as leaks and international launches of this tiny powerhouse rolled out. The Neo 2 is not just an update to the already successful Neo, it's a complete reimagining of what a sub-250-gram drone can be. It's DJI's answer to every creator, traveler, and beginner who wants cinematic aerial shots without the fear, the learning curve, or the FAA registration hassle. And today, we're going to dive deep into every single feature that makes the Neo 2 a technical marvel, why its features are game-changing for the American market, and the crucial, frustrating reason why you still can't officially buy it in the United States. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's start with the incredible technological leap, safety and intelligence. The original Neo was simple. Neo 2 is omniscience. The leaks confirm the Neo 2 brings true omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a feature previously reserved for much larger, more expensive drones like the Mavic series. But it goes a step further. It integrates a forward-facing LiDAR sensor. Think about that. A lightweight, 151-gram drone using LiDAR, the same technology found in high-end autonomous vehicles, to create a real-time, 3D map of its surroundings. This means the drone can fly itself through branches, around buildings, and track you on a mountain bike trail with an accuracy and safety that is genuinely groundbreaking for a drone this size. For the beginner, this eliminates the terror of crashing. For the pro, it unlocks previously impossible low-altitude tracking shots. Crucially, this is all packed within a lightweight, rigid frame with full, integrated prop guards. The result is a drone designed to be flown safely, close to people, and indoors, a true, follow-me companion without the danger. Now, let's look at the image quality. This little drone is punching far above its weight class. The Neo 2 is rumored to feature a larger half-an-inch CMOS sensor paired with an improved 2-axis mechanical gimbal. This 2-axis gimbal, a major upgrade from the original single-axis, means your footage will be noticeably smoother, eliminating the common jitters found in digitally stabilized mini-drones. And the video spec: 4K at 60 frames per second, with the ability to shoot at an incredible 4K at 100 frames per second for super smooth cinematic slow motion. This level of frame rate flexibility, combined with the new 2-axis stabilization, means that your travel vlogs, family videos, and short-form content will look professional, sharp, and incredibly detailed. It even offers dedicated vertical shooting modes at 2.7K resolution, instantly making your footage ready for TikTok and Instagram stories without heavy post-production cropping. The user experience is where the Neo 2 truly shines for the masses. DJI is leaning heavily into intuitive control. Leaks confirm the implementation of gesture control and voice control, allowing you to command the drone with hand movements or simple spoken words, perfect for solo creators and travelers. But the most compelling feature is the inclusion of a dedicated FPV mode. With a recent firmware update, the Neo 2 gained support for Manual FPV Mode when paired with DJI's motion controllers and goggles. This tiny, safe, entry-level drone suddenly transforms into a fully immersive FPV experience. It provides a painless, low-risk entry point into the world of FPV flying, a segment currently dominated by complicated, crash-prone racing drones. The Neo 2